Hey man, you ain't got a 240 on there.
Yeah, it's a lot heavier too.
Really?
Yeah.
It's Winston's car. What are we doing with Winston's car?
We are headed to OSW for my first official drift event.
Woohoo! Woo! We got Baja. Baja's riding down. Hell yeah! How's your ankle feeling?
You know, just not good.
Talon hurt his ankle somehow, some way.
Fell downstairs.
You fell down the stairs. What a Talon thing to do.
Backwards.
So we are loading up everything and we are getting ready to head down to OSW. I'm not going to be driving my car obviously because the CA is obviously in the machine shop, but I might have a little fun in the 350 depending on how things are out there. And also my girlfriend's coming down to join us to hang out. So there's a couple things going on tonight. There's a charity event. They're doing some charity event for I guess a local vet or just some sort of
animal rescue.
So some sort of animal rescue. You know me, I love dogs. That's why we're called the Dog House. We're gonna go down there, you know, support the drift community, support the homeless animals, and you know, make sure we take care of those guys, and you know, have a little fun. On top of that, the guys in Class A, they're going to be doing a competition. It's kind of just like a battle of the best drivers at OSW, and they set that up themselves, and they're just going to be going down there, and they're going to be doing like a, I don't know, top 16 or top 32 event. So I'm going to bring the camera. I've got all the good stuff to put the camera on Winston's car, and I'll have you guys down there and checking out the footage. See you down at OSW. What up guys, we made it to OSW here. We've got Talon's truck and the 350Z is unloaded, it's getting teched right now, but here's Class A. Just wanted to film it real quick, let you guys know that they're going to be out there drifting, and then it's going to be probably C Class and then B Class. So there's 70 drivers out here, so it's a huge night. Awesome event. Everybody's going to be supporting OSW in the little pet fundraiser and stuff. So
good you can see.
Oh, you got the drone out? Oh dude, everybody, Talon got a new drone. I can't really see it obviously because it's nighttime, but is it the DJI 4?
Yep.
Number 4.
Yep.
Moving up in the world, huh?
Oh yeah.
Wow, that is crystal clear. That's pretty awesome. Alrighty, so A Class is about to go out there. They're about to tear it up. We're gonna go watch these guys drift. So long as Winston passes tech, he'll be out on the track a little bit later.
You can do
buddy. Come on. God darn it. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. You got this. There you go. There you go.
Too much.
Way too much.
He doesn't have a, he's not used to just clutch kicking. See, now he's getting used to it.
That's all it is getting used to the ball.
Oh yeah.
Dude, if you would have kept on going, you could have seen. How'd it feel?